This is James Harmon, and this is my Mavic Enterprise Dual Shield video submission. I got this checklist from you guys at DJI Support. Thanks a lot. So we're gonna try this again. First off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show the aircraft's gimbal serial number and then the aircraft serial number itself. So the gimbal serial number can be seen clearly now, and then the aircraft serial number is right there. So the next thing we're going to do is turn on the remote controller in aircraft and then connect the remote controller to a mobile device. So come on over here to check that out. So first I'm going to turn on the controller, then I'm going to turn on the aircraft. Check to see the gimbal is doing the movements to get set up. And you can now see that in the app it's showing Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. It's connected to the Pilot app, so we're good to go. Then now we're gonna do is, after the gimbal has made a complete self-inspection, we can check the gimbal status
has been
here.
updated. Please check it on the
Gimbal
map.
status is normal. So now we're gonna show that with the left toggle wheel here that we can move the gimbal all the way up and all the way down. So we're gonna go down first, and then all the way up, and then using this button here, we can reset it to the down and then neutral position. Okay, so now we're going into DJI Pilot app to open the aircraft status list, and we're gonna just show that everything is good to go. So this is our checklist. You can see, and you can see the remaining part capacity. So we're good to go, no major errors. Then we're gonna go and check the aircraft's firmware. So we're gonna go over here, and you can see here that the aircraft version is the current 01.01.0400, and that is also matching the remote controller firmware. So we are up to date. So now, looking at the screen, we're going to show how the different camera modes work with the infrared, the MSX, and the visible. So looking at the tablet, we're going from visible mode that you can see right there. Then we're going to infrared. And note that you can see different temperatures on areas where I touch on hotspots on the screen. So you can see that the sensitivity to the temperature is actually effective. Then I'm going to go to MSX, where you can actually combine the visible imagery and the infrared to get a better idea of what you're looking at. And again, switching through, you can see there are changes in temperature depending on what part of the screen you do focus on. So now what we're going to do is capture a video and make sure the shooting function is normal and the image or video capture can be shown in the playback. So I'm going to switch back to visible mode, and pardon the glare here. We got lots of glare going on. So I'm going to film a video. Alright, so here we go. Move the camera around a little bit. Say what's up. Alright, looks good. Now I'm going to go into the playback mode here. Check this play button here. Then you can see this video right here that we just did. So we got a video. Now we're gonna go back to our main screen. So now we're gonna power on the motors. Watch your knee, Matt. You might get a propeller. So we're gonna use the stick mode to activate the engine, turn on the drone.
Take off.
Okay. Then we're gonna stop the motors doing the same thing with the opposite movement. And then we are going to turn off the air crash battery and then turn off the remote controller. So film this part, Matt. You can see the light on the battery. And then the controller. Can you see that?
I can't see the screen of the controller. There it is.
And then tap it for clarity. Alright, so the aircraft and controller are now turned off. And that concludes our Mavic Enterprise Dual Shield video submission. We hope this will be adequate to get shield protection.